Good morning students. Today we will learn about the functions of different parts of the computer. That is, these all are the parts of the computer system and we will learn about its functions also. The parts are CPU, monitor, keyboard, printer, mouse, speaker, microphone and UPS. So let's start from the CPU. Central Processing Unit CPU. CPU is the main part of the computer. All the other parts are connected to the CPU through wires or cables, and the actual processing is done within this unit. That's why it is called the brain of the computer. For example, in the human body, brain has the most important role. Why it has the most important role? Because all the actions are the result of the signals that we receive from the brain. Moreover, when we learn new things, it gets sorted in our memory. We keep storing our information in our memory or the parts of the brain. And whatever the information is needed, we recall that information and act accordingly. So, now students, let us learn more about CPU, that is Central Processing Unit. CPU is the brain of the computer where it receives and stores information. CPU makes calculation also and sends the result to the output devices. Let's take some example. Students, here I am taking a simple mathematical calculation as an example, that is 2 plus 2. You already know that 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, but we have to perform this calculation in the computer. What we will do, first of all, we will type 2 plus 2 from our keyboard. And when we type 2 plus 2, it will display on the monitor system 2 plus 2. Now, where all the where all the process is done, we already know all the process is done within the CPU. So here the work of CPU will start, or the function of the CPU will start. What the CPU will do, CPU first of all identify the symbol that I have given, that is the addition part. So the CPU will identify that the addition is has to perform. CPU will perform the addition or the calculation part here, that is 2 plus 2, and it will send the output to the output devices, that is monitor. Now the monitor will display the output, that is 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. So is it clear student? Now let us move to the next topic, that is monitor system. Monitor displays the output of on the screen. It just looks like a television. On the monitor you can also see the input what you give to the computer. um, some new types of monitors are there, like LED monitor, LCD monitor, and it also shows the result as well as the game you play, what you write and what you draw on the computer system. So let's start new topic, that is keyboard. Keyboard is used to give input data into the computer. To type or write anything on the computer, you have to press the respective keys of the keyboard that you need. Keyboard has keys for alphabets, numbers, symbols that is used to write or type or give any instruction to the computer system. Keyboard has also some special keys like delete key, backspace key, which perform some special tasks. Students, here I have a question for you. Tell me the word that can be formed by using the letters of the first row of the alphabet keys on the keyboard. Think any word by using the first row of the alphabet keys. Any guess? Tell me any word. Okay, I am telling you. Typewriter. Typewriter is the word that we can form by using the letters of the first row of alphabet keys on the keyboard. Now, next topic is UPS. UPS stands for uninterrupted power supply. It gives power to the computer. It has also rechargeable battery for the power backup.